Hi
Hi
everyone.
everyone,
My name's Amanda.
Uri.
I'm Emily.
Today we're going to talk about dental hygiene. Dental hygiene is important as it helps your body to keep germs under control.
If you do not keep your teeth healthy, your teeth can develop a hole and it really hurts.
Today we're going to show you a day in the life of a kid with healthy teeth. Please follow along with us and do the activities at the end to keep our dental health in between.
It's 8 a.m. That means it's time for breakfast. You've probably heard of the saying, you are what you eat. Well, that is particularly true for your gums and teeth. Eating a variety of nutrient-rich foods from all the food groups promotes healthy teeth and gums. This means maintaining a balanced diet of fruits, vegetables, protein foods, and calcium-rich foods for a healthy smile as well as a healthy body. So which foods are the best for gum and teeth health that you can include in your breakfast? First, start your day with a glass of water. Water is a great cleanser. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day can help eliminate dry mouth by keeping your mouth moist to prevent the bacteria that leads to cavities, gum disease, or bad breath. Many vegetables are good for teeth because they require a lot of chewing to clean teeth surfaces. Crunchy, firm foods that contain lots of water are great natural teeth cleaners because they increase the flow of saliva, which helps scrub away food particles and bacteria. These crunchy vegetables are usually also packed with some of the most important minerals and vitamins for your body. Lastly, eating apples can help clean your teeth, which can neutralize the acids left behind in your mouth.
Wow, I'm still so full from lunch. What time is it right now? It's 2:30, which means I still have 4 hours before I get back home. But I haven't been able to brush my teeth after lunch. Can you guys think of any ways where I can keep my mouth and teeth healthy and fresh? That's right. The easiest way would be to rinse my mouth with water so I can get rid of any leftover food in my mouth. If you want your breath to be extra clean, you can also use this mouthwash to kill any harmful bacteria living in my mouth and tongue. But be careful because some of these mouthwashes are quite spicy. Also, it is a good idea to always bring this toothbrush so you can make sure you remove any leftover food that can build up between your teeth and cause any harmful illnesses such as tooth decay. If you have rinsed your mouth with water or used a floss, but still worry about the bad breath, you can always try mints or gums. You can try to chew gums for 5 minutes because it creates more saliva or liquid in your mouth, and that gets rid of the food leftover that causes smell. Here, try to have sugarless gums because sometimes too much sugar is not a good friend for your teeth, especially when you can't brush your teeth for a long time.
Oh my gosh, I'm so tired and almost ready for bed. However, as your day comes to a close, it's important to remember to brush your teeth thoroughly so you go into the night with nothing left on your teeth. It's important to brush your teeth at least 2 times a day, but it's extra important at night because you need to brush off everything you've eaten and drank throughout the day so you go to sleep with your teeth feeling healthy and clean. The best way to do this is start by wetting your toothbrush and then putting toothpaste on top of it. You can either do the wetting before or after, it's up to you. It's kind of a personal preference. Next, you're gonna start brushing all over your mouth. We'll do a tutorial after this, but you wanna make sure you get all the parts of your mouth, not just the obvious ones. So the top of your teeth, the bottoms of your teeth, the backs of your teeth, the gums, all that kind of good stuff. And then you can also do your tongue. That's a really great place as well. And then finally, you're gonna floss. Those little flossers are a great way to start doing that. That's super important as well to keep your gums really healthy. And then finally, you're gonna spit out your toothpaste and then rinse your mouth out with water. And then you're all done and you can get ready for bed. So thanks for listening and keep brushing your teeth.
So now that you guys have learned a little bit more about how to keep your teeth clean, we are going to talk about how specifically to brush your teeth. So Amanda and Woori are going to give you guys a little demonstration as I talk through it. So first things first, you're going to want to tilt your toothbrush slightly upward and slide it gently under the gum and really get into there. You're going to wiggle your toothbrush back and forth a bunch of times, and then you're going to brush the inner surface of the teeth and then brush the biting surface of the teeth. So bring your tooth bite down, that's where you want to brush a lot too, because that's where the food goes. So you're going to do that all around your mouth, the tops of your teeth, the bottoms of your teeth, the gums, the backs, all these different types of things to your tongue to make sure you really know what you're doing. And then finally, once you spit that out, you can see in Woori's little screen all the different your baby teeth and then your big kid teeth. So that's what happens when you lose your teeth. And then you grow new ones, which is really exciting. So yeah, that's all for our presentation. I hope you guys learned a little bit about how to brush your teeth and how to keep your teeth healthy and clean. So thank you guys for listening to us. It was so nice talking to you guys. Bye, everyone.
Bye.